We're going to play Spooky Scary Skeletons for easy piano. And what you're going to do is look for the two black keys right in the middle of the piano as pointed out by my skeleton. We're going to start on the note F. And what we do is we just play F, two of those, two E's, and then we play an A, C, A. Looks like F, F, E, E, A, C, A. But only one A. Okay, then we do it again. Then we do C, D, B, C, A. So again, that's C, D, B, C, A. We're going to start on the second line on an E. And we just alternate between E and F. So we do two of each. Then we're going to need to move over to G and play A. And go back down. Okay, so that looks like E, F, E, F, G, A, G, F. Then we go to E and then F. And then D, C. Okay, so that all looks like E, F, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, F, E, D, C. Then you're going to play D, E, D, E, then F, G, F, C. So you have a little jump there. So doing that again, D, E, D, E, F, G, F, C. Then you're going to kind of do a little step up here, D, E, F, A. So you skip a note there, then G sharp. Then you go back again and play